So I just curled my lashes and brushed through my eyebrows, and that's all I'm gonna do for right now. But when I come back after sunrise, I'm gonna like actually do a little bit of makeup. I don't have a tripod tall enough right now, but I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear this shirt that my mom got me and some Lulu shorts, but we'll see. So here's my outfit. I just have this Venice Beach shirt on that my mom got me when she went to California, my Kendra Scott necklace, and I'm wearing black Lulu shorts with my rainbows. When I get home, I'm gonna change into like my first day of school outfit and then go to school. So I packed my bag. I have my blanket in here, my Polaroid, I have my phone, and I think that's all I need. So right now I'm on my way to Dunkin' before I go to school. I think I'm gonna get a coffee and some donut holes. Okay, so I got a caramelized coffee. You can barely see. I got a caramelized coffee and I got 2 donuts. So we just watched the sunrise, and now we're all going home so we can actually change and look decent for the first day of school.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days.
So I just had my senior sunrise, and now I'm going back home. I didn't really film that much just because, like, I don't know, it's all of the seniors, and like, I wanted it to be fun and have fun and hang out with friends. But it was cute, and now I'm going home to change because I was a little gross and sweaty. I just came back from senior sunrise and I got dressed into my outfit. Shirt, Hollister, shorts, PacSun, and then Steve Madden sandals. I just need to put on perfume and deodorant, and then I'm gonna go take a picture with my mom. She has this thing that says like last first day of school, yada yada yada. And then I'm gonna go because I have to pick up my friend's sister because I'm taking her to school, and then I'll be a senior. So now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows and put on mascara, and that's all I'm doing for my makeup today. I know it's literally nothing, but I don't care. I know I mentioned this before, but I don't know if I'm gonna use that clip, but for senior sunrise, it's the first day of school, and then we have senior sunset on the last day of school. So it's like the opening and the closing of like our senior year or last year of high school. So yeah, that's why I woke up at 4 something. I think 4:40 was just for the sunrise. It lasted like 5 minutes, but I got some really cute pictures. I'll insert them somewhere eventually, I don't know. I'm getting so many Instagram notifications. I'm getting so many Instagram notifications. No, I just uploaded a picture from the sunrise, and now like all I can see is notifications. What time am I supposed to leave? School starts at 7:25. I have to leave soon. We're gonna go with that. I'm gonna fix the bottom lashes off camera because I really can't do this, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that. It's already open. How? I can't shut this with one hand. Gonna drink a little bit more of my coffee. Tell me how it's the first day and I'm already running a little bit late. I have to take pictures with my mom and go pick up my friend's sister. But I got my backpack, my outfit. I'm ready for my first day.
The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you. These days are on.
Hey guys, it's jdeeuh. I'm back from my first day of school, my last first day of school. My classes went really well. The only class I'm iffy about is AP Physics. This is my 7th period, and I kind of want to drop it because I don't need it at all. But when I have track season, I don't want to have to come back like for, I don't know, I don't want to leave for an hour and then come right back. I think that's kind of dumb. But I only need 2 classes to graduate, and I have a full schedule, so. My mom is so cute, and she made me cookies for my, like, after school, and then we just ordered Jimmy John's so I can have something to eat before work. Hey guys, today is my 2nd day of school, but I didn't end my video from yesterday. At least I don't think I did. So I'm coming on here now to end it. I wanted to say that I had a really good first day of school, and I feel like this year is gonna be super, super good for me, just in terms of friends and school and like just everything. I got really good vibes from yesterday, so I hope that the school year goes really well for me. But yeah, I just got ready for the 2nd day of school. My outfit's pretty cute if you ask me, but I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys kind of a little bit more about how my first day of school went. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.